Today is sentencing day for the Michigan parents being held responsible for their son's deadly school shooting.
Jennifer and James Crumbley were both convicted of involuntary manslaughter earlier this year. State guidelines recommend a maximum sentence of 7 years in prison for each of them, but the prosecution is asking for a longer sentence than that. ABC's Alexis Christoforous has more.
Jennifer and James Crumbley, the first parents in the U.S. found criminally responsible for a school shooting committed by their child, both set to be sentenced. Earlier this year, two separate juries in back-to-back trials found Jennifer and James Crumbley each guilty of 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter in connection with the deaths of 4 students at Oxford High School in Michigan in 2021. Prosecutors asked for 10 to 15 years in prison, while state sentencing guidelines recommended a maximum of about 7 years. James Crumbley is asking for time served. Jennifer Crumbley wants to serve her sentence on house arrest at her lawyer's guest house. Before the sentencing, the Crumbleys had to face the families of the 4 victims.
While you were running away from your son and your responsibilities, I was forced to do the worst possible thing a parent could do. I was forced to say goodbye to my medicine.
During the trials, prosecutors argued the Crumbleys did nothing to secure the gun their son Ethan Crumbley used in the killings and ignored signs of his declining mental health. On the day of the shooting, counselors called the parents to the high school to discuss concerns over Ethan's disturbing drawings. Prosecutors say the Crumbleys did not tell school officials that Ethan had access to a gun and didn't take him out of school. Later that day, Ethan opened fire, killing 4 students. Jennifer Crumbley took the stand in her own defense.
I've asked myself if I would have done anything differently, and I wouldn't have.
In court documents, she now says that is true without the benefit of hindsight that I have now. With the information I have now, of course, my answer would be hugely different. Ethan Crumbley pleaded guilty and is serving life in prison. Now, many legal observers say this case could encourage prosecutors to bring charges against parents when their child commits a crime. Alexis Christoforous, ABC News, New York.